The best way to cope with all these challenges, to handle all your affairs, is to do real tawakkul. Real tawakkul is not calculating everything and preparing everything, and then when things fail, you turn to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. No. Preparation for your business goes back with your iman, with your prayer, with your dhikr, with your salawat, with all of that. That's the real preparation, including young children here. If you treat your parents badly, don't expect a business enterprise to succeed 20 years later. Just because you haven't prepared for it, the preparation goes back. Everything is a factor in the making of success in deen and dunya, including, most important of all, preparing your heart. You don't start a project by believing that you have all the means and this project should succeed. No, I have nothing except what Allah has given me. If Allah permits, with the power of Allah, this will succeed. I can't make it succeed, even if you're the most intelligent. Tawakkul is believing Allah will make it successful. So turn to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and have reliance on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala from the beginning before you do any action.